12 South AirFly Pro Bluetooth wireless audio transmitter, receiver for up to 2 AirPods, wireless headphones. Description of the 12 South AirFly Pro Bluetooth wireless audio transmitter/receiver for up to 2 AirPods/ wireless headphones, divided into parts. 12 South AirFly Pro is a Bluetooth wireless audio transmitter designed to be used with wireless headphones such as AirPods or any other headphones that support Bluetooth technology. The device consists of several parts, each performing a specific function, as follows. 1. The main device. It is a small battery-powered device that is connected to the audio device you want to transmit sound from, such as an airplane or television or any other device that supports wired headphone connectivity, using a cable built into the device. The main device has a power button and a button to control the transmit or receive mode. The main device. It is a small battery-powered device that is connected to the audio device you want to transmit sound from, such as an airplane or television or any other device that supports wired headphone connectivity, using a cable built into the device. The main device has a power button and a button to control the transmit or receive mode. Audio cable. It is a small cable used to connect the main device to the audio device you want to transmit sound from. The black head of the cable is connected to the audio device, and the green head is connected to the main device. USB-C cable. It is a cable used to charge the main device, where it is connected to the USB-C port of the device and the USB-C port on the phone charger or any other power source. AUX cable. It is an optional cable that can be used to connect the main device to any device that supports an AUX input, such as a car or speakers, using the port built into the main device. User manual. It is a booklet that contains instructions for use and connection for the device, as well as some tips and recommendations on how to get the best audio experience using the device. By using 12 South AirFly Pro, you can listen to music or watch movies without the need to connect wires, as sound is wirelessly transmitted from the device you want to listen from to wireless headphones. It can also be used as a receiver to connect wireless headphones to any device that supports Bluetooth, such as a mobile phone, tablet, or any other Bluetooth-enabled device. The device features high-quality sound accuracy and a battery life of up to 16 hours, making it ideal for home or travel use. Additionally, the device also supports connecting up to 2 wireless headphones at the same time, allowing you to listen to music or share a movie with another person wirelessly. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.